What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something pretty cool. We have JDM baits. So we have a local tackle shop here in Texas, and they are totally different from whoa, that fell. Totally different from what you're gonna see at like Bass Pro Shop or Academy, which tend to carry about the same stuff. But this local tackle shop carries a good amount of JDM baits, and they always try to carry different stuff, whether it's the rods or reels, which carry baits. They carry baits reels, which is pretty cool. Academy and Bass Pro Shop don't carry that. Besides your JDM baits, they carry also like lithium batteries for your boats and just random equipment that you wouldn't see at like Bass Pro Shop or Academy. And it's pretty neat place. I've come to like it a lot. The place is called Tackle and Marine, or Fish Tackle and Marine, here in San Antonio, Texas. They carry a lot of neat stuff. So I hopped on over there a week ago or a couple weeks ago, and I picked up a bunch of JDM baits from posts that they posted on Facebook, because they're on Facebook also. Every time they get new stuff in, they'll go ahead and post it, and every time they post it, I'm like, I gotta go get it, because it's stuff you don't see, like I said, at Bass Pro Shop or the big chain stores. And it beats having to order and then wait a few days by the time you get it. But first on the line, let me, which one should I put up first? Let's go with the Q-Bomb. So the Q-Bomb, I've been seeing a lot on YouTube, and the local mom and pop shop just happened to post it up on Facebook, and I was all like, man, I gotta go get it. So I hopped into the store, picked it up, and it's different. The Q-Bomb is different. I'd say it's a finesse bait, which has been fire for me during these cold weekends. And this is it. So you got the Q-Bomb, made in, what does that say, Gifu, Japan, or that's how you say it. 1 inch. You get 4 to a box, and I believe this was like $10. You got the bait right here. It's kind of hard with the glare from the monitor, but that's the bait. I have this rigged on the wacky shot from Cord Tackle, which I got there at Fish Tackle Marine also. So it's basically a wacky worm hook with a spring on it. So you could go ahead and or corkscrew type spring. You just corkscrew your bait onto it. I have one rigged up right here, and this is what it looks like rigged up. There we go. So that's what it looks like. You got a little weight. It's a weighted wacky style hook. You corkscrew it into the bait, and these hooks are awesome. I like them. You could use them on your Cincos and wacky rig them that way. But this has been a game changer, man, during these cold mornings when the fish are like lethargic and don't want to really hit anything too big. They just want something small and settle. Plus, I'm pretty sure they never seen anything like this before, because I haven't. And it's a neat bait. The rig, the hook, is pretty sweet. I had never seen anything like that also. So big ups on the cord tackle for that. But yeah, it's crazy. It's a crazy bait. Like I said, and then when you pair it with this cord tackle wacky shot, it is pretty cool. Easy to rig. It's fast. Whoa, there we go. So you got that corkscrew springy type thing at the bottom. You can lock your bait in. Super sharp hook. And this is in a 1/8 ounce. And it's a 1/0 hook. Like I said, pairing it with this Q-bomb, it's sweet. I like it. This made a great pair. And this color, I like that color. That color's pretty fire, man. I'm sorry, but I'll be upgrading my camera soon. But yeah, this is sweet. I like it. Y'all gotta try it. If I never tried the Q-bomb, go ahead and try it. It doesn't say a color. Imokumuchi. I know I butchered that, but Imokumuchi Q-bomb from Geecrack. Geecrack's been making a lot of cool stuff, man. I've been looking at all their product line, and I got some stuff on the way. Fish Tackle and Marine has quite a bit of Geecrack stuff also. I could turn y'all over and we could see what we definitely what we paid for that. I'm pretty sure they should have it up on the screen. Let's see. I mean, on their website. Plastics. You can see here they have the Geecrack Bellow Shad. I need to go and pick up some of these. I heard they make pretty good trailers for the chatterbait. Here we go. So the Geecrack Kimuchi Q-bomb, 10.29, and it's a 4-pack. This is my local tackle shop right here. Fish Tackle and Marine. Different colors. This is the color I have, which is pretty nice. But yeah, 10.29 for that 4-pack. And then the core hooks, let's see if they have those on the site. Core tackle. Yep, here we go. So the core tackle, the 3-pack, $6.99. That's what we paid for that. But those two paired up together, it's nice. I usually throw like a Ned bait, but lately I've been throwing this Q-bomb on this core wacky shot, and it slaps. But let's move on to the next bait. So the next bait, we'll go with the depths. So this is the depths Sakamada Shad. It's like a minnow style bait. I'll pull one out right now. Sakamata. I mean, I know I said that wrong. Oh, you know what? This pack isn't open. I think I do have one. I think I have one open. Let me check. Give me a second. Alright, I don't have one open. I was thinking of Six Senses little middle bait. But I guess we could open one up. We'll open this up. I don't like the packaging because once I tear it open, I can't hang it because it takes off your little eyelid to hang it on your pegboard. Man, why is it so difficult to open? Oops. So let's pull one out. And we have the Sakamata Chad, which I know I said it wrong, but that's her. If I hold it up against my black. So it has like a split tail. Kind of like a fluke, but facing the... Stop spinning or stop moving. This one's kind of hard to get. But that's her right there. Looks like it would have a lot of action. Kind of stretchy. You have your little slot for your, like a weighted hook. You got like little fins on the side, I guess, to balance out. Maybe, I'm not sure. This is pretty cool. Doesn't smell like nothing. But it's like your minnow style bait. Probably, I think this would probably be pretty cool on a one of those ball head style jigs, hooks, whatever they're called. But yeah, the depths. Sakamata Shad. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I like it. Alright, let's move on to... This is the Drift Fry Mellow. It's 5.2 inches. Oh, let's see what we paid for this depths. So see, on the depths we paid $10.99. In fact, I could even show y'all better on here what it looks like. So this is the color I got. These are the different colors. And I kind of wish that I would have grabbed that color. That color looks nice. I like that color. But yeah, or this one, you got the little glitter at the bottom on the belly. See, I got the all white one. But you could see it has a little fin right here. Then you got the split tail at the end, kind of like the the flukes. That's not, I mean, I like it. This should work pretty good. So that's the depths. Sakamata shad, 4 inches. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next bait, which was the Drift Fry Mellow 5.2. It's blocking myself, I can't see. There we go, the Drift Fry. Mellow, Drift Fry Mellow 5.2 by Jacko. This one I have it on a ball head. So here's one that I got rigged up. So this is the Drift Fry by Jacko. Got it on the ball head. It has this little lip. I haven't tried it yet, but I don't know what kind of action that would give it. You have the plastic eyes on there, which are pretty cool. And then all in all, man, it's, you have like a flat beaver type style tail. Stop. There we go. Let's see how I can hold this. I'm kind of anxious to use this one. This probably would be fire too. Looks like it's gonna have a lot of action with that back end on the tail. Again, I had this one rigged on the ball head. We could look it up on the site. Oh, Jacko. Oh, here she is. This is the Jacko Drift Fry Mellow 5.2, and I believe that is the color I got. Does it say the color? No, it don't say the color, I guess. Oh yeah, it does. Prism Shad. So this is Prism Shad, what I picked up. Oh, they all say it. Prism Shad. Oh, you actually gotta click them right here. So Prism Shad, and I believe that's the one I have. They got Sweet Wagasaki. That's a nice color. Stealth Neon Shad. I don't see where the neon comes into play. And Dark Thunder Neon Silver. That's a neat color too. The Jacko Drift Fry. I mean, in my experience, this is like different. Like, I've never seen anything like this. I mean, I'm used to just throwing like your curly tails, your speed worms, your trick worms. I like Guggen Squad's blazing worm. What else do I have thrown? I mean, like I said, most of your standard worms that you get from Academy or Bass Pro Shop, I have them and throw them. These are like out of my comfort level because I've never thrown them, but judging from what I've seen on YouTube, they should be fire. The Q-Bomb I've used already. This one I have used. It's great bait. I like that one. I like the Q-Bomb. Let's go back and we'll go to our next item. So our next item is not a bait but a scent. So this is Bass Energy by Geecrack also. And I gotta get rid of that glare. So Bass Energy by Geecrack. It is, I can't read, it's so tiny, the lettering. We'll look up on the site and it might say it. 50 milliliters, I guess. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how much is in here, but yeah, it's a spray. Smell wise, you know what? It smells like ramen soup. I mean, I might be tripping, but it smells like ramen soup. Like, and I'm not talking about you go to a restaurant and you order ramen soup and that's what it smells like. I'm talking about, you know, you buy, you go to H-E-B or Walmart and you buy those top ramen block soups that you make over the oven or in the stove or the microwave. You pour that little packet in there. This smells like that packet that comes in the ramen soups. I kid you not, like, it doesn't have a horrible smell. It doesn't stink like garlic, or it stinks like dead fish, or normally what those scents smell like. To me, it honestly smells like the packet from ramen soup. But I that's just to me. So Bass Energy by Geecrack. It's in the aerosol form. That costed Bass Energy. Bass Energy. This costed me $16.95. And it smells like ramen soups. But if any of y'all happen to pick this up, smell it and let me know what y'all think it smells like. Cause to me it smells like ramen soup. And I wish my kids were here right now, cause I would have had them smell it and they probably would have said the same thing. Cause you know kids, they love that stuff. Ramen soup, that is, not Bass Energy. But $6.95 for this can, and I don't. Oh, it's a 50 milliliter can. But it should go a long ways because you're just doing one little spray, like, and you should be good to go. Haven't used it yet. So next product. Oh, actually, I could even, let me show you on this real quick. So there it is. That's the Bass Energy. Bass Energy, $16.95 by Geecrack. Smells like ramen soups. 50 milliliters. And that is the can. Like I said, if y'all happen to pick it up, let me know. Smell it. So the next product we have, it's special formula Shover Rig powder type Wakasagi powder. Wakasagi powder. So this is a powder. As y'all could hear. It's all written in Japanese. And it's not gonna But yeah, it's all in Japanese. It's powder. I guess you just sprinkle it on your baits. Smell wise, let me see. It's smell. That's familiar. Hold up, it'll come to me. It doesn't smell ugly. Smell. Y'all are probably gonna think I'm tripping. Smell wise, wakasagi powder. You sprinkle it on your baits. Smell wise, it smells like burnt caramel. It smells like burnt caramel. If y'all happen to pick this up, smell it, y'all let me know what it smells like. But I kid you not, it doesn't smell ugly. It smells like burnt caramel, or caramel that's about, like, not aggressively burnt caramel, but caramel that's just on the verge about to burn. That's what that smells like. Y'all gotta get it and y'all let me know. But that was the last product, and I know the price tag's on here, $12.99, but we'll pull it up on here. That way y'all can see the packaging a little bit better. Wakasagi powder. In my opinion, it smells like caramel about to burn. Oh, it looks like they do have one that comes with flake. This is no flake. $12.99. Zapu Chove Rig Wakasagi extract powder. Wakasagi extract. Man, is that like a type of let me pull it up. So here's your packaging. Like I said, it shows that they do make one with the flake, blue flake. I got the one with no flake, but this one they don't have it in stock. Oh, it's also different packaging. I got this one right here, but it says Wakasagi extract. What the hell is a Wakasagi? I'm probably saying it wrong. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a type of fish. It's a Japanese smelt. So you mean to tell me this fish right here smells like caramel? I don't know, I'm telling you, this smells like caramel. Are you telling me this fish smells like caramel? But that's what this is. So this is smelt, Japanese smelt extract. I don't know. I saw it and I was like, I gotta try it. I'll be trying these. I'm just waiting to get a GoPro or the chest mount from my phone, that I could at least go out and record and see how these products work. But yeah, ramen soup, burnt caramel. But alright, peoples and peepettes, I'll go ahead and let you get on y'all's night. Like, subscribe, share, show some love, appreciate it. Leave some comments and I will reply. But one time, for the one time, tell somebody to tell somebody. And until then, I'll catch you on the next one.